I have a Briggs & Stratton 19.5 horsepower engine that will not turn past compression center with electric start. Replace starter and battery, but still will not turn past compression center. Remove spark plug, engine will turn. Need help to find problem?
Hello and thank you for choosing this service. My name is XXXXX I will do my very best to get you the answer you need to your question. How are you tonight? I will do my best to figure out what is going on with your engine. I may need to ask you a couple of troubleshooting questions as we go.
Hi Donald, will answer the best I can.
Thanks. I will start by asking, after you removed your spark plug and spun your engine over, did you notice if any fuel spewed out of your spark plug hole?
No, fuel.
Very good. This tells me that you either have an issue with your valves being out of adjustment, very likely, or the compression release on your cam gear is faulty, less likely. Many times an adjustment to your valves will get you back up and running again.
Mower was running good when parked under garage last through.
This problem normally occurs without a warning. Are you familiar with adjusting valves?
No, just read about it earlier.
Is this something you would like to do for yourself?
Yes.
Okay, there is a cover at the front of your engine. This cover is held in place with 4 screws and has OHV stamped into it. You will use a 3/8 of an inch socket to remove this cover.
Okay.
After you have removed this cover, remove your spark plug.
Okay.
Rotate your flywheel clockwise until your piston reaches top dead center, TDC. Use a wooden dowel or something similar to verify, TDC.
Okay.
After you are certain that your piston is at TDC, you will need to continue rotating your flywheel until your piston is 1/4 below TDC.
Okay.
You can mark your wooden dowel or whatever you choose to confirm when you are 1/4 of an inch below TDC. At this point you will use a feeler gauge to check your valve clearances. Your proper valve settings should be: intake valve, 0.003. 005 exhaust valve, 0.005, 0.007. Your upper valve is your exhaust valve and your lower valve is your intake valve. Before making any adjustments, check your clearances first.
Okay.
Attachment, 2013-1009_015436 Briggs valve-PDF full-size image.
If clearance is with intolerance, what else could it be? Just asking.
If your clearances are within tolerance, then our problem is very likely going to be internal. In this case, you will need to replace your cam gear. Let's hope our problem is just a valve adjustment issue, which is very likely.
Not disagreeing with you, but would not I had noticed some different sound in engine?
I welcome all of your questions. This is why I am here. This is a very common problem that I see weekly here at my repair facility. The majority of the time, there is no warning. Every engine will eventually need a valve adjustment procedure performed on it, including my very own engine.
Okay, I will start on this tomorrow afternoon. Thanks for your help.
May I ask?
Yes, helpless.
Did the information I attached for you open up for you okay?
Yes, I open it when you sent it. I really don't know how all of that got in the answer above.
I added the attachment for you to use as a reference to our discussion. You will need a 10mm boxed end wrench, a feeler gauge and a Torx bit to correctly make adjustments to your valves.
I have the wrench, feeler gauge, but no Torx bit. What is a Torx bit?
Full-size image. Some people call them star bits.
Yes, I have a set of these. That is what I call them.
Would you like a link to a video showing how to adjust your valves?
Yes, that would be helpful, thanks.
You are welcome. If you can give me just a second or two, I will get it for you. Thanks for waiting. Video.
Donald, thanks again, and I really appreciate your help.
You are very welcome. Just take your time and I feel you can do this. Remember, you may have to repeat this process more than once, since this is your first time.
Okay, you have a good night.
Very good. You too, thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.